Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Person I acquired it from did a body off the frame restoration about 5,000 miles ago. It's a great truck. I've driven it home. This is one you just get in and use, and it looks great. If you go to volocars.com, you can study all the pictures, read all the specs, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector vehicles all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first one to see the next video that comes out. Right now, let's go for a spin in this C10. Yeah, we have some photos of it taken down to just a bare cab, completely repainted inside and out. The whole inside of the cab's painted, the jambs. It's actually a very nice, smooth paint job. I just went around the whole truck. I didn't see any flaws or issues. I might have missed something, but I'm telling you, it's nice, smooth. It's just quality. Up front, it's got a cowl induction hood. Everything fits nice. Looks like new lenses, new emblems, new mirrors, new door handles, new windshield. The glass is all tinted. The rubber gaskets have been replaced. This is like a 1990s box. It's a step side. Remove the rear bumper, so it has this nice custom panel here with the license plate is recessed. Got a really nice tonneau cover. It locks, it seals up, keeps things dry in there. Polished wheels. They're Coy's wheels, 20-inch in back, 18s in front. Got Cum-Ho tires on there. New gas cap. The lock is shiny. Up front here, the grille is very nice. Got some light abrasions and marks on it. Plastic's all good. The emblem looks new. Bumper looks new. Even the wipers look nice. Antenna looks nice. Windshield crystal clear. This is very nice. Tidy. This is gloss black under here. The rest of it's satin black. Got a nice brushed stainless cover over a ginormous radiator. That's got the fan, new shroud, new clutch fan. That's a rebuilt 350 motor. It's got a little bit hotter cam. It's got roller rockers, aluminum intake with a big dual feed Holley. It's got electric choke. The fuel line is a stainless steel braided with nice fittings, inline filter, new fuel pump, Excel HEI ignition system. It's got headers, beautiful set of tall aluminum Chevrolet valve covers, and then of course the scooped air cleaner. The latches are cleaned up, the door panel's new, all new weather strip, new sill plates. Real nice interior. We'll get right back to that. Look at that. The hinges are nice, the jamb is nice, completely carpeted. It's all held in with Velcro, and the rails are clamped on here, so I'm certain there's no holes drilled into the top of the bed. Again, really nice here. It has the struts that open it up automatically. It seals up dry. See that? Real nice. So it's usable. You can use this truck. Use it for your business and write it off. Button's a little hard to push. Completely reupholstered in the diamond pattern. The headliner's done to match. New dash pad. It's a tilt column with a wood Grant steering wheel. It's got a new stereo. The handles and cranks look new. New carpet with matching carpeted mats. It has power steering. This whole power brake assembly looks new. Those are Hedman headers. The belts look nice. Just a very tidy, clean, easy to work on motor compartment. Batteries bolted down. The AC box is the raw fiberglass. So nice, easy to work on in there, and that's rebuilt. Underneath, it's got a 700R4 overdrive automatic. So again, this is a truck you can get in and cruise and drive. Disc brakes up front. New shocks at all four corners. Nice Flowmaster exhaust, which you'll hear in a minute. We just replaced the rear trailing arms with the bushings, are new. There's speakers built into the kick panels. They've added a couple nice gauges, a voltmeter and an oil pressure gauge, and a tachometer. It has the B&M shifter on the floor. Also has a B&M shift kit in the trans. Let me start it up. Just very comfortable, easy truck to drive. Nice. This looks fresh. Nice. That nice sounding idle. A little bit of a hot rod sound. These trucks are such good sellers because so many people can associate with them. People grew up with them, worked with them, now they're popular. Use this for your business. Put the name on the side of the door. This color's certainly going to get noticed. So anyway, go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. Ask them whatever questions you may have about the vehicle, the process, delivery, financing. They can help with all that. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.